Boing Boing the airplane was feeling tired. It was time for a good night's sleep. As it drifted off, Boing Boing found itself in a dream world. In this dream world, Boing Boing was soaring through the clouds. And taking in the beautiful scenery. The sun was shining. The sky was a brilliant blue. And the clouds looked like pillows. Boing Boing was in heaven. As Boing Boing continued to fly, it noticed a group of hot air balloons. Boing Boing approached them. Curious to see what they were doing. The hot air balloons were having a race. Boing Boing wanted to join in on the fun. So it decided to participate in the race. The hot air balloons took off. Flying through the sky. Boing Boing was determined to win. It flew as fast as it could, using all of its skills and abilities. After a few minutes, Boing Boing realized that it was in the lead. It was so close to the finish line. Boing Boing put on a burst of speed. And crossed the finish line in first place. The hot air balloons cheered. Congratulating Boing Boing on its win. Boing Boing was so happy that it had won the race. It felt proud of itself for putting its skills and abilities to the test. Boing Boing flew back to its dream world. Feeling content and satisfied. With a smile on its face. Boing Boing closed its eyes and drifted off to sleep. Ready for another day of adventure. Boing Boing the airplane had a dream about flying high in the sky. As he flew, he saw a beautiful landscape below him. The sun was shining and the clouds looked like cotton candy. He flew over a vast green forest. Where he saw many animals playing and having fun. He saw a herd of elephants taking a bath in a river. A group of monkeys swinging from tree to tree. And a pride of lions lounging in the shade. Boing Boing then flew over a desert. Where he saw a beautiful oasis. There were palm trees and a crystal clear pool of water. He saw a family of camels resting near the water. And he could hear the sound of music and laughter coming from a nearby tent. He then flew over a snowy mountain range. Where he saw a group of skiers and snowboarders having fun. He saw a father and son building a snowman together. And he could hear the sound of sleds whooshing down the slopes. Boing Boing had such a wonderful time exploring these different landscapes. He felt so free and alive as he flew through the sky. And before he knew it, Boing Boing was no longer dreaming. He was back in his hangar. Ready for his next flight. Boing Boing soared through the skies. High above the clouds. In the distance, they spotted a beautiful rainbow. The airplane decided to take a closer look. They flew down to the end of the rainbow. And discovered a pot of gold coins. Boing Boing was so amazed by the sight that they couldn't help but reach out and touch one of the coins. Suddenly, they felt a strange sensation, and the next thing they knew, they were surrounded by beautiful, colorful flowers. They couldn't believe it. They were in a magical garden. Boing Boing explored the garden. Admiring the colorful flowers and the sweet fragrance in the air. They encountered a group of friendly butterflies who offered to show them around. The airplane happily accepted, and the butterflies led them to a magnificent castle in the center of the garden. They were greeted by a kind king who invited them inside for a grand feast. Boing Boing enjoyed the delicious food and the wonderful company. As the night drew to a close, the king offered Boing Boing a place to sleep for the night. The airplane was grateful for the offer and gratefully accepted. They climbed into a soft, comfortable bed and drifted off to sleep. Dreaming of their amazing adventure in the magical garden. And with that, Boing Boing's dream adventure came to a close.